Picture this. You're about to deliver a presentation to a group of professionals. Your palms are sweaty, your heart is racing, and your mind is blank. Sound familiar? It's a common scenario, one that sends shivers down the spine of many. But let's delve into it, untangle the web of anxiety, and find a path towards confident, impactful presentations. Imagine transforming that dread into anticipation, that fear into fuel. But what if we told you there's a way to transform this nerve-wracking experience into a moment of triumph? Most people tackle their presentation preparation by cramming information and rehearsing tirelessly. But is that really the best way? Let's put on our detective glasses and investigate this common practice. When it comes to presenting to a group, many fall into the trap of believing that stuffing their brains with data and repeating their speeches word for word will lead to success. They invest hours, sometimes days, in front of the mirror, reciting their lines until they can deliver them in their sleep. But here's a fun fact: the human brain isn't wired to memorize scripts like a machine. Over-rehearsing can actually make your presentation sound scripted, robotic, and inauthentic. It's like listening to a monotonous GPS voice, and we all know how exciting that is, right? Moreover, this approach can create a disconnect between you and your audience. Your listeners crave interaction, engagement, and a touch of spontaneity. They want to feel a connection with you, not your script. In reality, this approach often leads to robotic delivery and disconnect with the audience. So, what's the secret to acing your presentation? It's all about understanding your audience and delivering value. This is where our effective tool, the audience-centric approach, comes into play. Imagine preparing a presentation not from your perspective, but from your audience's viewpoint. It's like stepping into their shoes, understanding their needs, their expectations, their language. This approach helps you tailor your message in a way that your audience can connect and engage with. It's about crafting a presentation that resonates with them, that answers their questions, that addresses their concerns. The beauty of this approach is that it takes the guesswork out of the equation. You're not throwing information hoping it sticks. You're delivering value, you're answering a need, you're solving a problem. And that's what makes a presentation effective. It's not just about what you say, but how you deliver it that makes a difference. Now let's dive into how you can apply this technique and the benefits you will reap. Picture this. You're in a sales meeting, pitching a new product. Instead of focusing solely on the product's features, you engage your audience by asking about their needs, their challenges, and how your product could help them. This is the audience-centric approach in action. Or imagine you're leading a workshop. Rather than lecturing, you encourage interaction, ask questions, and tailor your content based on the group's responses. Again, this is the audience-centric approach at work. This technique isn't just for presentations, it's a game changer for all your professional communications. And the benefits? They're enormous. You'll see a boost in your confidence as you engage with your audience more effectively. Your communication skills will improve, and you'll likely receive positive feedback, which will further fuel your confidence. With this method, not only will you deliver a successful presentation, but you'll also elevate your overall communication skills in the workplace. So there you have it. The key to acing your next presentation is understanding your audience and delivering value. We've discussed avoiding common mistakes, utilizing effective tools, and the benefits of an audience-centric approach. It's not just about delivering a speech, it's about engaging, connecting, and leaving an impact. Ready to conquer your next presentation with confidence? Subscribe and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, every step you take towards improving yourself is a step towards success.